This system consists of one 999-channel call button keypad and 16 pieces wireless pagers. We can also extend max to 999 pieces pagers with this keypad as our business grows. The transmitting distance is about 1,000 meters in an open area. Firstly, we should connect to the power. Now, the charging indicator on each pager will flash every 2 seconds. For each pager, it just takes 1.5 hours for full charge, and it can be used for a whole day. If we don't use it for a long time, we can press the power button 3 seconds to power off. When a customer takes an order, the waiter gives a pager to the customer. After the order is ready, the waiter presses the number on the keypad. Then the customer receives the information and brings this pager to take food. The waiter puts the pager back in charger. It stops vibration and buzzer. We can also press the power button to stop the vibration and buzzer on the pager. If we want to change the number for a pager, we can open the cover and take out the paper. Press the pairing button 5 seconds to delete the original number. Then short press the pairing button again. Now input the number and press call button on the keypad. With the 3 LED flashes on the pager, the new number has been settled successfully. This product based on minimizing the waiting time in a long queue, notifying customer faster and reducing cost. So it is widely used in a fast food restaurant, food court, coffee shop, and other queue occasions.